Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Haven't done the chart for a while. Was actually on a little miniature vacation meeting up with members, but I am back now, so let's get things updated here. And since I was gone, the price actually made a very, very nice move. Not only did it get up above that purple line, which I've talked about many times in past videos, but it continued on up. And now the price is sitting at a very important level as far as the chart is concerned. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so even if you're watching this several hours from now, the chart will look a little bit different. But the main level that you need to be asking yourself about is this red line right here, which is representing 7,400. The question is the price still above it or not? Why is that so important? Well, let's say that the price continues to do what it has been doing. I mean, the price has been down here a few times, and the price has just hovered around this general area. And if it does that and then eventually starts to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation from a big picture point of view? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, the overall stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction at that point in time. However, if you're watching this video, let's just say 12 hours from now, and you pull it up and now the price is down here and sinking to the downside, at that point, am I saying the entire chart is ruined? I'm not saying that, but when the price gets down around here, that's literally starting to put the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but truly strong moves don't go back to where they were, right? They're going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I realize just make progress is a general term, but that's what I like about charts is they allow you to take those general terms and assign numerical values to them. So the numerical value that I'm assigning to the soundbite of progress forward is staying up above 7,400 for the very simplistic reason of, you just don't want to see the price fall back inside of this channel that it, has just broken up above. So keep an eye on that. And I do need to update this to green, because when resistances are broken, you definitely want to see the MACD as support, especially in this situation here. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, seems to be some right up around 77.60. But as far as I'm concerned right now, top priority right now is not breaking 77.60. Top priority is staying up above 7,400 so that bulls can build that higher stair step and start to build upon this trend that they're trying to get into place. So interesting area, and like I said, big question to ask yourself, even if you're watching this 18 hours from now, where's the price currently at relative to 7,400? So we'll see how this one unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.